Hi, I'm Chris Hudig, the Technical Sales Manager for the Karnak Corporation. I'm here today to show you how to make a roof repair underwater using Karnak 155 AF Amphibikote. 155 is a wonderful product to use to make repairs on wet surfaces when it's raining and underwater. The tools we'll be using today are a whisk broom or brush to remove asphalt from the surface. We'll be using a trowel, some Karnak 31 fiberglass membrane, and of course, Karnak 155 AF Amphibikote. What I did here was I took my whisk broom, cleaned the surface of all dirt and debris. I then troweled on a 1/4 inch thickness of Karnak 155 Amphibikote. I then took Karnak 31 6-inch wide fiberglass membrane and embedded into my applied 155 Amphibikote. Because I used 6-inch wide fabric, I extended my flashing cement an inch out each side. After smoothing out the 31 fiberglass membrane with my trowel, I then applied another 1/4 inch thick application of 155 AF Amphibikote completely over top of it and feathered it out onto the roof, making sure that all the fabric is completely embedded in the Karnak 155 Amphibikote. After that, my repair is permanent, it's done. There's nothing else you need to do. The roof is now sealed and watertight. For more information, visit karnakcorp.com.